Sonidos del Summer starting on May 6th here at Marine Park in the north side. It's a free event for all ages, family friendly. You can bring your lawn blankets, your lawn chairs, your cooler with drinks and food in it, just no alcohol and no glasses allowed. Bring your pets if they're well behaved, and bring anything you want to have fun with: soccer ball, football, volleyball. It's gonna be a great time. On May 6th, starting at 8 p.m., we'll have the Selena Forever Tribute Band playing right here on this stage. The event itself kicks off at 5 p.m. We'll have vendor market, we'll have food trucks, we'll have everything here ready for you to have a great time. We'll also have the Boys and Girls Club and Artes de la Rosa holding some kid events, kid activities for the family to have fun. So we'll see you on May 6th at 5 p.m. Don't miss it. It's the place to be.